Hi, this is Cheryl Bird again with Designs by Cheryl B. Thanks for joining me. I just have to share my new gnome, Christmas gnome, and her name is Pinky. It's a girl. And these have been so much fun and so easy to make. All that you need to do is make a cardboard cone out of poster board or any kind of lightweight cardboard that you can manipulate. Take a small jar and that becomes the base, and cover your cone in whatever material you want. I'm using batting because it gives a nice wintry texture, and then I covered it in pink tulle. Then you want to add your decorations. I've made a lot of boy gnomes. This particular one I wanted a girl, so I basically just put what would be the mustache above the nose instead of below it, and add some extra little ties and bows to her hair. She's also got on some pretty pink earrings, and she's very pink and ready for Christmas. And I hope that you try these because they are so fun to make. And just real quick, I'll show you all of the gnomes that I've done. So we have Pinky on the end. The next is Woody, and he is more of a traditional Christmas colors with the burlap covering and red and green floral greenery. So they're all made the same way with the cardboard cones and a jar as a base. I put their little coats around them to match whatever their hat is, and for the mustaches and the hair, you just wind your yarn around a piece of cardboard and then cut it and tie it in the center, and so easy. This one is really one of my favorites. I think he turned out just beautiful, and he is done in the kind of a woodland rustic glam he's got a shimmering mustache, and he has the same white berries that Pinky has on hers, and they all have a pom-pom on the top of their hat. You can see, and I just did the same thing with the yarn and the little palms. And then this last one is gold tones, and it has, again, the burlap. I did it a little differently. It's got a burlap bow, pom-pom there, and a gold bow. So it's burlap and gold tones, and then I did the white and silver tones, the red and green traditional Christmas tones. Their mustaches are a little long, but I think that's cool. I kind of like it like that. There you have it. Anyway, that's my gnome collection so far, and I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope that you'll try it because they're so fun and easy. Oh, I did make a little one, a small one, and I'll go ahead and show that. Let's see, I made him out of a toilet paper roll, just this bottom part here, as you can see. I just covered it, and then I used the batting again, made his hat out of batting, and I used fur on him for a mustache instead of the yarn because I had some scrap fur. He's got sequins around the bottom, and he's also done in the silver tones. I wasn't crazy about him, but he's cute, and he's just going to kind of sit on my shelf. So anyway, that's my gnomes. That's my Christmas gnomes. I love them. They're so much fun. Give them a try. I think you'll enjoy them. This is Cheryl Breed again with Designs by Cheryl B.